brake lock on.
Alright.
Go. Whichever one. So that beep lets you know it's set.
So all I have to do is click it in just like that.
That's
Look,
it.
if I try to.
No, hold on. As soon as it moves, it makes one beep. But when they sense that it's really going, watch it. Roll it out. It does that, and if it keeps going, watch it.
It'll just obviously just. Oh, D! There's an intruder on the loose, everybody. They're stealing my bike. Awesome.
The keys is what's on this.
Nice. And what's the name of this?
This brake lock, Oasser?
Alright, yeah.
To stop Oasser holes.
Yeah. Yeah, you guys seen it here first.
Weatherproof, 120 decibel.
Thing is loud. You guys can hear it on the camera. But yeah.
120 decibel.
Yeah, the neighbors were like, "What's that noise?" Goes on the back one too. Oh snap! So it goes on the front, on
Yeah,
the back.
it's just a pin that locks through there.
Yeah.
So like,
It's just, if you go even near it, it'll like do that too.
no,
Oh,
it has to feel it.
Motion.
And
So what you do? Just tap it? I don't know.
yeah, like,
Oh.